1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, rear-wheel drive. This one's got the famous or infamous, depending on how you look at it, the LT1 350. Car runs great and drives amazing. It looks like original paint. Got some light scratches here and there that don't show up on the camera or the video, but just only a couple here and there. It's got the nicely optioned chrome Cadillac wheels, and as you can see, sunroof. Fully loaded car. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. There's a specific company that we use for financing these classic cars. Just give us a call or do the application on their website. All the other information is on the website. There we go, name of the company, phone number, and website right there. It's that dark midnight blue, a nice blue leather interior in excellent original shape. No cracks on the dash. Everything looks amazing in this car. Seats are original, untouched. There goes the sunroof right there, guys. That's nice. Almost forgot. Nice big back seat, all original. There you go, the rear passenger mirrors. The vinyl's in excellent shape too. All original. Nice trunk. Power closed trunk still works. There you go. Last of its breed. Big body, rear wheel drive, 350. If you're wondering, it's got 102,000 miles. Super low miles for its age. Great running LT1. Thanks for watching.